and this is my honest, non-sponsored review. In this video, I'll quickly break down what this camera does well, where it falls short, and who I think it's best suited for. The GoPro Mission 1 is a compact cinema-style camera positioned above the traditional hero action camera lineup. It's aimed more at creators and filmmakers who want stronger image quality in a rugged and portable body. The camera features a 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor, the GP3 processor, and support for up to 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. After spending time with it, the biggest strength is definitely the imaging hardware. Compared to a standard action camera, the larger sensor noticeably improves detail, dynamic range, and low light performance. What stood out to me was how much more flexible the footage felt for editing and color work, especially during outdoor shoots and travel content. Another major advantage is the combination of high-end video specs and portability. The 8K recording gives extra room for cropping and reframing, while the 4K 120 mode works really well for slow-motion shots. For creators shooting action scenes, adventure footage, or branded content, having those options in such a compact body is genuinely useful. I also like the overall rugged design philosophy. It still feels closer to an action camera than a delicate cinema setup, which makes it easier to carry into environments where I probably wouldn't risk taking a larger mirrorless camera. That said, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. The biggest one is that the Mission 1 feels much more specialized than a normal GoPro Hero camera. Casual users who mainly want simple point-of-view recording may find it excessive for everyday use. I also noticed that the fixed 14mm lens limits flexibility compared to interchangeable lens systems. And since the product line is still relatively new, there's less long-term reliability data and fewer third-party accessories available compared to more established camera ecosystems. Pricing is another factor. Based on its positioning and hardware, this is clearly a premium tier product, so it won't make sense for budget-focused buyers. Overall, I think the GoPro Mission 1 is best suited for creators, travel filmmakers, and hybrid shooters who want professional-level video performance in a compact, rugged body. But if you mainly need a basic action camera for casual use, this may be more camera than you actually need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.